See how to work with GitHub in Visual Studio Code and how to clone a repository. So there are a few ways to do this. First off, when you first open it up, it'll probably give you an option here to just clone a repository. But I've already opened something else up in that, so that's not showing. I could also do it from here. This is source control. And if I do here, then you can see I have the option to clone right there. There's a few different ways you can get here. I can also, no, not there. So I do need to go here. Oops. And then clone. And then I just put in the URL like that and do return. And it's going to ask me, where do I want to put it? I always have mine in Documents in GitHub. So I select, I want it here. Select that. And I want to open that workspace. There we go. So that's it. And you can see it's got these two folders. So that's how you do it here.